Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of TikTok. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. As you see, we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.